Today I'm making a simple liquid fertilizer using two of my favorite perennial herbs, Comfrey and Yarrow. The goal is to turn these plants into a concentrated garden brew that feeds the soil and the microbes using mostly what we can grow at home. I start by harvesting and chopping comfrey leaves. Comfrey is a classic dynamic accumulator. Its roots pull up nutrients like potassium, calcium, and other minerals from in the soil and store them in the leaves. When we cut the leaves and put them into a bucket, those nutrients are released into the water as the plant material breaks down, creating a rich feed for fruit trees, for veggies, and for soil life and garden plants. Today I'm also going to add in yarrow. It might look like a light and feathery plant, but it's another dynamic accumulator and a great compost activator. Yarrow's fine, deep roots mine a wide range of trace elements, and when we chop them up into teas and into compost, it breaks down quickly and feeds the microbes. That's why some growers call it a carrier. It helps carry a broader spectrum of nutrients and microbial life into the brew and helps the whole mix ferment more actively. Once the comfrey and yarrow are in the bucket, I cover them with some clean water. Here today I'm going to be using underground water, which is similar to rainwater, low in chlorine and kinder to the biology that we are trying to grow. Over the next few weeks, the leaves will soften and darken, and the smell will get stronger, and the bucket will turn into a living mix of plant nutrients and microbes. When it's ready, I'll strain the liquid, dilute it, usually around 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, and we'll experiment with that and use it on our garden as a feed around the plants and around any compost areas that I have. For me, this is what Comfrey and the garden route is all about. Low cost, homegrown fertility that turns a few cuts of herb into real support for the soil and the garden. If you'd like to see how this brew develops and how the plants respond, you're welcome to subscribe and follow along. This is a passion project for me, and soon we'll have some starter kits available as well.